Double-hung windows are a popular choice for homeowners because of their classic design, easy ventilation, and convenient maintenance features. However, even the highest quality double-hung windows won't perform as expected without proper installation. Long-term comfort, energy efficiency, smooth operation, and durability all depend on how well these windows are installed from the start. That's why professional installation is essential for protecting your investment and ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Here are key professional installation tips that make a lasting difference in double-hung window performance. Accurate measurements create the foundation for success. Proper window installation starts with precise measurements. Even small inaccuracies can lead to gaps, air leaks, or alignment issues that worsen over time. Professional installers measure width, height, and depth accurately. Account for variations in older or settling homes. Ensure windows fit squarely within the opening. A correct fit prevents drafts and ensures the window operates smoothly. Proper shimming and leveling prevent future problems. Double-hung windows rely on balanced sashes for smooth operation. If the window frame isn't perfectly level and plumb, sashes may stick, tilt, or fail to stay open. Professionals use strategic shimming to support the frame. Leveling tools to ensure precise alignment, even pressure distribution across the opening. This step prevents premature wear on balances and hardware. High-quality sealing eliminates air and moisture leaks. One of the biggest threats to long-term window performance is air and moisture infiltration. Proper sealing protects both comfort and structural integrity. Professional installation includes insulating gaps with appropriate materials, applying durable sealants around the frame, ensuring weather-stripping compresses evenly. Effective sealing reduces energy loss and protects against water damage. Correct installation of balances and sashes. The balance system is what allows double-hung windows to open and stay in place. Improper installation can cause windows to slam shut or become difficult to operate. Professionals ensure balances are installed according to manufacturer specifications. Sashes move smoothly without resistance. Tilt in features function correctly. This ensures safe, reliable operation over time. Secure anchoring supports long-term stability. Windows must be anchored securely to the surrounding structure to withstand daily use and seasonal changes. Professional installers use proper fasteners in designated locations. Anchor windows into framing, not just trim. Avoid over-tightening that can distort the frame. Secure anchoring prevents shifting and maintains alignment. Flashing and moisture management protect the home. Water intrusion can silently damage walls and framing if flashing isn't installed correctly. Professional installation includes proper flashing placement around the window, integration with existing moisture barriers, drainage pads that direct water away. This protects both the window and the home's structure. Smooth operation testing before completion. Before finishing the installation, professionals test window operation thoroughly. This includes opening and closing both sashes, checking lock engagement, verifying tilt in mechanisms. Testing ensures everything functions correctly before the job is complete. Clean finishing enhances performance and appearance. Trim and finishing work isn't just cosmetic, it helps seal the installation and protect the window. Professional finishing includes clean interior and exterior trim alignment, sealed edges to prevent air leaks. A polished appearance that lasts. Good finishing work supports long-term performance and curb appeal. Manufacturer guidelines protect warranties. Professional installers follow manufacturer installation guidelines closely. This not only ensures optimal performance but also protects warranty coverage. Proper installation meets warranty requirements, prevents costly mistakes, protects your investment. Installation makes the difference. Double-hung windows are designed for durability and comfort, but only when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures precise alignment, effective sealing, smooth operation, and long-term reliability. By relying on expert installation practices, homeowners can enjoy energy efficiency, ease of use, and lasting performance from their double-hung windows for many years, making professional installation one of the most important steps in any window upgrade.